up, YouTube? This is yourself R1, and I was gonna do this as a video montage with audio in the background, but I said, let me talk to you guys and show what I'm doing and do what I gotta do. Anyway, I ended up buying the lighting kit for the roll bar, and the part number is 9863, and this actually just comes as the lighting kit itself and the cabling itself. Now, mind you, I did buy the other version of it, which it does come all assembled, which is 9862X. I said, well, if one day it breaks, I have a backup, you know, one of these things get damaged or anything like that. So primarily what I did was take out the 4 screws from here, 1, 2, 3, 4 that actually held it up. And yeah, so I'm working on this. Primarily what I have to do right now is I gotta feed this in here. Boom, boom, boom. Raise. Nice. Take this. This is the front side of it. You're gonna see a little hole right there. Feed that in the hole. And then lay this down. Here I have these 2 little screws over here. Screw you guys back in. This is going to be fairly simple, very quick for you guys to do. I think the most technical part is going to be reaming. Yes, you're going to have to ream the body, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to take this cable and feed it alongside this. You're just going to tuck it in. Once I put that in, it should be good to go. But primarily, you're going to have to ream a hole over here. And if I'm looking at the diagram correctly, it's asking me to do it right here. Right next to that screw. That should be very interesting. But, yep, and then this lays down over here. That cabling will go through. And let me start reaming this and we'll see what's going on. Alrighty, so your hole should look just like that. It shouldn't be like astronomically big, because what you're doing is trying to feed this line in here. But once you're able to feed the line in here, you're supposed to be able to pull it out, pull it in with ease. Don't go too crazy, don't make it too big, but don't make it too small where it's going to be an issue for you to get it out. Alrighty, so this is pretty much the way I ran the cable. I might put a Velcro strap or something over here just to make it tidied up. But yeah, no, it came out good. The hole's not too crazy where it's noticeable. Let me just put this into the lighting port right here. Alrighty. And let's get you. So basically what you're looking at, let me take this off the tripod. This is the way it looks. I think it came out really nice. Look at that. That's adapted to the Pro Scale kit. I think it came out really, really nice. Definitely something to behold. Anyway, if you like the installation video, comment, rate, share, do what you gotta do.